Hello again, how are you, my followers? Lunch today is going to be linguine with my concoction. I do this occasionally. We have, I've lined up the ingredients here, a couple of slices of bacon, a couple of sliced chestnut mushrooms, some stalks of broccoli, and then later butter, white wine, pepper and tomato concasse, which I've always got in the fridge. Okay, here I have a pan with boiling water into which I'm going to put 6 ounces of linguine into this already salted boiling water. And meantime I'm going to put the bacon into this pan to cook. Okay, pan's already hot. Hasta la vista, pan crush. And I'm now going to say goodbye to you for a minute while I move on to stirring that pasta. So here we are about 2 minutes later. Bacon's just about cooked. The linguine is stirring up here, cooking away gently. I've used linguine, but you could use spaghetti, you could use penne, almost anything really. I've always used dry pasta personally. There you go. Right, I'll be back in a minute. With a sauté pan, I've chucked in the chopped up broccoli stalks and the mushrooms. I just sprinkled it very lightly with a bit of salt. Nothing more. Let that soak down for a couple of minutes while I chop up the bacon. Okay, which I shall add to that pan in a moment. And I shall be back again. I'm back again a minute later. I've just strained the linguine off, return it to the pan with just a spoonful or so of the cooking liquor left in the bottom. You might be, perhaps you can see just a bit of. Okay, so I'm going to have to put the phone down a moment. You definitely need 3 pairs of hands to do this job. Right, I've added a grind of pepper to that. I'm now chucking in 1 ounce or 2 of butter, okay, and to which I'm going to add the sauce which you saw me making earlier. There it is. I'm going to add that and I'll be back in a moment. Joe, last show I've just plated it up, okay, and that is my linguine. I don't know, you can give it any name you like. Just an okay. End of. Bye.